This video is about how to unpack after you get home from vacation. This video is about being ready for your next adventure. I've got a lot of friends that complain that whenever they go on a trip, they have to pack like 3 days before they go on the trip, and it's a big hassle for them. And so we're going to explain how that doesn't have to be the case. You don't need to worry about that. I'm going to show you how to solve this problem in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Wash all your dirty clothes. Throw them in the washer and dryer, and if not, at least throw them in your laundry bin. Step 2. Unpack your shoes and put them in a very obvious location for 24 to 48 hours. That way they can air out, all the stink and nastiness from the trip can be cleared out, and that way, and it's obvious, you notice after a day or two, it'll be in your way, you can just pick them up and put them back in your travel bag. Or you can put them back in your packing cube or your packing apparatus for your shoes. Step 3. Refill everything in your toiletry bag. Refill your shampoo. Refill your conditioner. Put in new toothpaste. Put in new soap. Put in new deodorant. Your electronics shouldn't leave your luggage, so keep those in there, or your electronics bag. Also, you should have sunglasses that are dedicated to travel. That way they're always in there, they're always ready to go. Step 4, repacking. Yes, repacking. It's important to repack your bag, because that way the only thing you'll need to think about packing is your clothes. Everything will already be ready to go and you'll be set. Everything else on your checklist, or at least most of it, is ready to go. I have had impulse travel where a friend of mine just called me out of the blue and just say that they're going to Mexico or New York or the Caribbean, and I was able to repurchase a plane ticket and just go. So it's really important that you have your bag pre-packed with the exception of clothing. Repack your toiletries. Repack your dedicated travel sunglasses. Repack your electronics bag. Repack your passport bag. You want to be good to go on your next trip, and hopefully if you've done everything right, the only thing you'll need to be worried about is picking some clothes to wear and packing those. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any travel-related questions or packing questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you haven't done so yet, check out my video on how to pack in just one carry-on bag, right up here.